What's up, everyone? Scott here from Chernobyl Studios. Today, I'm going to give you my final update about this Waves debacle and what we're going to do doing forward. Okay, because it's very important to put a cap on all this. All right, if you don't know what happened, the long and short of it is Waves used to offer a Waves update plan, perpetual licenses, 2 licenses per purchase if you had 2 computers. There was never a subscription model. And then one day, bink, you have a subscription model. No perpetual licenses, nothing. Just surprise. Obviously, this pissed a lot of people off. And being an affiliate, I had 3 days notice about this and no real details about how it was going to go down or be implemented. That's why when I made my initial video where I was favorable to the subscription plan, I got absolutely pumped in the comments. Was funny. But here we are now today. My what was it? My prediction was completely wrong. Not only have they brought back the $29.99 plugins, you also have the subscription model. So I don't. It's the best of both worlds, really. It's kind of what other companies have already been doing from the very beginning. Offering you the choice, which is great. But knowing that Waves had the balls to just cut everyone under like that and not care, and pretty clearly just want to get that monthly money train rolling in. People are pissed off, and rightly so. And I think there's going to be a large majority of people who, regardless now that they backtracked on this, are not going to use the plugins anyway. So this is where I would like to introduce a new series I'm going to do. The series is going to be called A Life Without Waves Plugins. And in the previous 2 videos, I shared a document down below in the description. It's down there now, an Excel file about Waves alternatives. There are a lot. And I have to be honest, because I sort of have been using the plugins I've been using to get work done. I haven't really looked around that much. And damn, there are a lot of good developers who are doing a lot of great things. And I'm trying to talk to all of them to get them on the channel so I can promote them. All right. Now I have 2 companies already that are going to sponsor a video for the channel here, and one of them is Melda. The other one is PSP Audio. We've already talked and agreed on something. I've been mixing with Melda plugins already. I've been like really trying to use their entire suite and get wrap my dude. There are so many. They have so many plugins. They have literally thought of everything. There's a replacement for everything. So the Melda video is going to be awesome. So stick around for that. It's going to be an ongoing series because I know that with what Waves did, they've completely destroyed a lot of trust in the customer base. Again, rightly so. And I can't say I'm, affected too much because I have the license that I need to do the work that I do. However, it's important to tell you guys what kind of options that you have because options are important. And I know for some of you, a subscription is whatever, don't care. But for some of you, a subscription is we're not doing this. I want to have a choice to just buy it outright or have the subscription. And so the Life Without Waves is going to be basically a series of videos that'll be ongoing whenever I can find plugins that are good alternative, not just freeware, buggy, crappy, VST2 only can't use it on a 64-bit operating system. I'm talking about good, high quality plugins that have been developed by a company that are selling them right now, and have good consumer policy. So you have a choice. You can buy it outright, or that's the only way you buy it outright, but you're not stuck to the subscription model. Or if there is a subscription model, it's like a rent to buy thing where here's the subscription, but if you subscribe for like 2 years straight, now you have all the plugins free for life. You're good to go. All right. So there's a couple of good ways to do the subscription model. Waves didn't do any of that. So they completely destroyed their trust in their users. And me personally, while I still have sessions and I probably will still use some of the Wave plugins just out of straight convenience, and I know how to use them and they work for me until I find plugins that replace them. That said, though, I will be removing all of my affiliate links from all my videos, which is going to suck ass because there's hundreds of them and I have to manually go through and do this. And I won't be actively promoting my affiliate link or actively promoting Waves on this channel any longer. I don't think they deserve it. Now, I didn't make a lot of money. They're not going to cry over losing me as an affiliate. They don't give a shit. but that's the stance I'm going to take. So you might see a Waves plugin that I'm using here or there. It's just out of pure, just I guess, laziness to find the replacement. But I won't be an affiliate for Waves anymore, so I'm not going to be asking you to buy Waves plugins anymore, and won't be promoting them in the description or actively telling you to buy them. So this was a big screw up, and Waves really fumbled the ball here hard. They Tony Romo'd it. If you know who Tony Romo is, go Tony Romo field goal, and you'll see that's basically what Waves did. So that's the update video. So the next video about the Waves crap is actually going to be my series "A Life Without Waves Plugins," where we're going to start looking at the ridiculous amount of options that you have. Some of them will be in that Excel file linked down below. A comprehensive list of Waves alternatives. All right. So there you go. Hope you guys are having a good one. I'll see you in the next video.